Hi, Eugen. So I'm here with George, and we're trying to test the site for the past few hours. Just wanted to show you that we're unable to even get past really this part. We have it in Chrome in incognito, as well as Safari, and it just want to let you know in Chrome here, this has been going on for a little bit over 2 minutes, and in Safari, I'm gonna try around. Okay, so in Safari now it is working, but it was freezing. Yeah. But in Chrome here, it's still going, and on Safari the same thing was happening, and we had to refresh the page basically. We're just trying to test it to find any bugs to get to the next step, and kind of unable to. I mean, it looks like in Safari here that loading thing is gone. And just going to switch back to Chrome to see what's going on. It's still loading, so it looks like it's frozen on something. And Safari. Yeah, so it's really difficult for us to kind of test if it works. I did send you an email earlier about the pricing calculations. I guess I'm just going to wait here. And back to Chrome. Okay, so now Chrome finally did work, and Safari looks like it's going very, very slowly. And here we'll hit start order. So yeah, here in Chrome it does look, this loading thing works in Chrome, but it's not working in Safari. You can see why that is. Okay. And so we're just trying to see here what really broke it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Sometimes it goes quick, and sometimes it takes like really unbearable amount of time to test. But yeah, if we can look into it and let us know, please. Thank you.